Welcome to our room tour. We are at Comfort Inn Suites in Goderich, Ontario. This is room 202, which is a dog-friendly room. And that's why we have two of our fur babies with us. All right, come on in. First, we'll start with the lobby here. Lobby is pretty big and spacious. We have a nice long mirror, and we have our little kitchenette, which would be our mini fridge, our coffee bar, and a lovely microwave. Now, a lot of rooms don't have microwaves, so this was a nice plus. It's just an awesome benefit and very convenient. Come on into the washroom. The washroom's also very large and bright, I would say. We have lights here on the inside right by the vanity, and then we have lights in the shower. We have a nice large vanity. We did have a lot of towels. We are doing the room tour on the last day, but we did have a lot of towels. Comes with some soap here as well, and some lotion too on the side here. And then you come on in here, it's the shower. Shower has shampoo and conditioner, and it is pretty big. So it's also very clean. I must say this suite has been very clean. All right. So we got two queen beds because we wanted a queen bed for the dogs, and Hugo is on the doggy bed right now. And we have this bed here. The beds are super comfy. We had amazing sleeps here where, to be honest with you, I didn't even want to wake up this morning. It was so comfortable. So I liked the comforters and as well, and I loved the mattress. So both were a plus. We tend to find hotel rooms can be very dim. This hotel room was a complete opposite. Right now it's probably hard to see with the lights on because it is light outside, but at nighttime, very bright. If you have all the lights on in here, it's super bright, which is also nice. So you can either turn a few lamps on or off, but they have a variety of lamps. We also have the alarm clock, which is also helpful if you want to use it. And we have some plugs by our bed too, which is convenient. The TV works really well. We had the TV on for the dogs at times, and then us at night just to watch a little bit before we went to bed. There's a lot of channels on there, and it worked really well. We also have a phone and a nice workstation, which Michael did not utilize this time. Kind of happy about that. But yeah, you can utilize the workstation if you like. Over here. You good? Okay. Over here, we have a nice big closet. We have a few hangers, which I did utilize. We did utilize the closet space. We put most of our bags in here and their shoes. And then you also have a luggage rack if you have a luggage. And an ironing board. I didn't see that. The ironing board is in the corner with an iron if you need that. We have a nice window, so we are again on the second floor, so it's not very high up. The second floor is for all dog-friendly rooms, but you have a large window which brings in a lot of natural sunlight and isn't a bad view. It's the neighborhood. And then finally, Kelly, wanna come? Yeah, Kelly, come. We have our okay. We have our seating area, so if you want to take a little lounge, you want to sit, read a book, or just hang out, you can sit here. So there is also an air conditioning unit just right beside me here. The air conditioning unit works too well, sometimes too great, as at times it can be very cool, but Michael was feeling good. So the air conditioning does work if you're here during summer. We found our room to be very practical. We were here for 2 nights, and to be honest with you, we had everything we needed. Also, it is very spacious, which we love. We did enjoy it. The dogs also did enjoy it. We didn't spend a lot of time in the room because we're here in Goderich, the prettiest town in Canada, but we found that it had all of our needs. Also, there was a complimentary breakfast that was included too on both mornings, and that was pretty cool. We were able to utilize that, and the food was actually really tasty with some great options. We enjoyed our stay here at the Comfort Inn Suites. We also found that it was very great in location, close to the beaches, close to the downtown core, just close to everything we needed to go to. We found our drives were about like 5-6 minutes max, and it was a really lovely stay. So we definitely would recommend staying here, and we probably would stay here again. A few more amenities that this hotel provides is there is a little fitness center, and when I mean little, it is little, but it is, again, doable. There was a treadmill in there, there were some weights, and there was a cable rack, and it is open 24 hours, which is another plus. And then there is a pool as well. The pool was closed for our stay, however, but there is a pool, so there's another amenity for you if you're looking for that. Another great thing about this hotel is the parking is completely complimentary, which is great because, again, at some hotels you'll find the parking is so expensive, but here it's absolutely complimentary, and there is a big parking lot. So for the dog-friendly rooms, per room, there's 2 dogs allowed, but they do have to be under 40 pounds. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Please also engage with the video, like and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.